Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Cash App error. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. And once you're inside your general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down until you find the Cash App and then tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you will be seeing two options. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once that's done, all you got to do is try again. And for some reason, if you are still facing the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store and then tap on the search bar, and once you're there, tap on Cash App and then tap on search. And once that loads, tap on the app and check to see if that app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.